In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add elements in repeaters in Wix Studio. We will go through the process in a simple, clear way so you can confidently place content inside a repeater and make sure it shows up across every item automatically. This is especially useful when you are building layouts for things like product lists, team sections, services, or blog-style cards. To get started, open your site in Wix Studio and go to the page where you want to work with the repeater. If your page already has a repeater, you can jump right into editing it. If you don't have one yet, add it first by clicking the plus icon to open the Add panel. From there, choose the repeater option, then select Quick Add and place the repeater onto your page. After it appears, adjust the size so it fits the section you are designing. Give yourself enough room to work comfortably, especially if you plan to add multiple elements inside each repeater item. Once your repeater is on the page and sized the way you want, click the plus icon at the top left again to open the Add panel one more time. This is where you'll choose the element you want to insert into the repeater. You can add things like text, an image, or a button, depending on the type of content you want every repeater item to display. Now comes the most important part. Click and drag your chosen element from the Add panel directly into the first item of the repeater. As you move it over the repeater item, pay close attention to the visual guides on the screen. You want to wait until you see the blue highlight border appear around that repeater item. That blue border is the signal that the element is being attached correctly inside the repeater item, rather than just sitting on top of the page layout. Once you see that blue highlight, go ahead and drop the element into place. Wix Studio will automatically apply that element to all items in the repeater, which saves a lot of time and keeps your design consistent. This is one of the key benefits of using repeaters properly, because you only need to place the structure once and it carries across the rest of the items. If needed, you can then reposition the element within the first item to refine the layout, and the repeated structure will remain consistent throughout the repeater. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.